Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still suspect that this is going to make a three-way pattern to the upside for an A, B, C of wave B, and eventually I do think it is going to go back up for a wave C. But I still think that we need to go down and make that wave C of wave B before we do make a big move to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I honestly still suspect that this right here may have already made a high for the wave B, and I still think there's a good chance this is a 1 and a wave 2. And I think it's just stretching out into a bigger, more complex correction like an ABCDE, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that eventually it's going to go down and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave B, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we got a very sideways channel going on. This channel has actually lasted over 2 months now. I still think this first impulsive move down may be a wave 1 though. I still think this is all like an ABCDE, and the fact that it's all kind of three-way patterns makes me believe that even more, because an ABCDE should be three-way patterns. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it definitely looks like it's playing out in an ABCDE scenario, and it probably will, once that's complete, continue back down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, as of right now, our most recent structure level on the 4 hour is right here. So if price does go down and break that, I definitely will stop looking for longs and start looking for buys. I'll stop looking for longs, that is, and start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. If it does not break this structure, then I am long only on shorter time frames, and I'm only going to go long at the end of every pullback I see. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I am only looking for longs right now on these sort of time frames. If price goes down and breaks this structure like that, then I will stop looking for longs and I will start looking for shorts at the end of the next pullback. If price does not do that, but instead just continues to make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows on the 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour time frame, then I will continue to go long every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see. Just like right there would have been a good long, right here would have been a good long, right there would have been a good long. Those are the trades that I am looking for right now. I'm not looking for shorts, I'm looking for longs only, and I'm only going to go long at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.